What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Atlanta area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in the Atlanta area.
All right, so we are going to start out with Atlanta, and we have the results. So, what was the best local Jamaican patty shop bakery in Atlanta? That would be, drum roll, Royal Caribbean Bakery. Where was the best place to buy your Jamaican groceries in Atlanta? That would be the Caribbean Farmers Market. What is the best local restaurant in Atlanta? Iriman Cafe.
All right.
And finally, the best Jamaican Caribbean event that folks said they attended in Atlanta was the Atlanta Caribbean Jerk Festival.
And I happened to host that. So congratulations to all the winners.